Well, guys, I have another update today. Oh boy. Oh, welcome back to TK's Garage. And so this is literally the same day when I shot the other video after the other body shop looked at this car and were like, no. I just got off the phone with the USAA. Literally just now. Just got off the phone with them. And the person, I guess, like the actual adjuster person in Arizona called after he saw like somebody like put an important flag on an email to them. And he's like the supervisor or whatever over them. And he was like, are you fucking kidding me? Like, he didn't say that. Let me be clear. I don't want to get somebody at USA in trouble. He just was like, are you kidding me? And I'm like, no, I'm not fucking kidding you. My seatbelts don't work. My door cards are fucked up. My interior's effed up. My airbags don't work. And the paint looks like shit. And he was going through the account and looking at everything that I documented and the video. It's the video. When I tell you it's important to video stuff, now you know why it's so important. Because had I not had video of them admitting to damaging this door, I didn't know that this door was dented. I didn't know that I had a dent in this door. It didn't have a dent in it when I brought it to them. There was a nice big 01 on it with wrap. And I always wondered, like, why did they take the wrap off of my door? The damage was up here. Why did they do... I never understood that, right? Now I know. Because they dented the damn door. But the post-repair inspection pretty much put everything out there. And once I said those words, I guess, USA was like, oh, shit. All right. So, I'll continue this video. This video will continue to tomorrow. For y'all, it will be a couple of seconds. But I will be going to David Stanley in Oklahoma City tomorrow and getting, I already published the invoice. Remember the invoice I got when I was down in Dallas at Huffing's or whatever? I'm going to bring those invoices to David Stanley, see if they can give me the same ones around the same prices for the seat covers for this car. And then USAA said, in no uncertain words, fuck that. Go get your seats and go order your seat covers from the dealer if you're going to do it yourself. And I was like, yeah, I'll do it. I will do it. I've never reupholstered shit in my life, but I think I can figure it out. I think it like clips on under the seat, right? Like, I think I got it. I think I can do this, all right? Give me my So we're going to have some interesting video. I don't know if it's going to be in this video, but we going to Collision Works to go get our motherfucking seats. I'm going to Collision Works to go get my motherfucking seats. I know that. Yeah. I don't know why I'm saying it like that. Let me just chill out. I'm being a goofball because I'm a little happy because now they said, oh, and I found out why they fixed my car. So he also was like, yeah, you're not at 75% of what the value is yet. He said we got to be careful, though, the adjuster, on what I'm billing them to fix. But he was like, wait a minute. He's like, you paid for a detail? I said, yes, sir. He's like, you paid for this window? I said, yes, sir. He said, submit me receipts for all of that. He was like, nah. And this is why, USAA, some people don't like them, but I like them because they do come through. Like, when you get to the right person, they do take care of you. And shout out to them, man. He's taking care of me. He literally just sent me a blank email, so I have it. I'm not going to show his email to y'all, but I'm just going to check it here. Yeah. Yeah, right here. Yeah, there it is. Yeah. So I have an email from him. And basically what I'm going to do is respond with that receipt tomorrow that I get from David Stanley, and they're going to pay me. And I'm going to put my car together, and that's going to be the end of it. I mean, well, outside of the fact of now USAA is going to send me to another shop to get the paintwork redone on the car. Yeah. I was going to do that. I was willing to do that. But after that body shop, now I know why 3 different shops are like, no, we don't want to know what's under that paint. Nope. I didn't know what mil spec was. I really didn't. Now I do. They put the little thing on there and they scan the whole car and they see how deep the paint is and stuff. Yeah. When you're at like 19 point something in areas and 20 point something in areas, that's bad. At least that's what they tell me. There's low spots in the paint. Like they were pointing out shit where you can see it. Anywho's. Let's get it done, man. Let's get it right. So we'll pick this video back up when we get to David Stanley, or maybe on the way to David Stanley, when we go get parts. Let's go get our parts, find out how much they're going to be at David Stanley so I can submit those receipts, get my money, fix this car. Oh, good morning. We are back at it, ladies and gentlemen, and I'm coming back down from Edmond, and we're heading down into Midwest City, where we're going to go to David Stanley Chrysler Dodge Jeep Ram and get these parts for the car. Now, you guys saw me get the invoices at, is it Lehman? I'm going to say it wrong, and I feel bad because I don't want to, it's disrespectful, man. I don't want to call their dealership wrong. They were super cool and got me all the part numbers and stuff that I needed. So we're going to have the parts guys come out, though, and look at ours. Huffings. So Huffings and Dallas got me the list of like pretty much everything that I needed. And now we're heading on up to David Stanley in Midwest City. I'm going to get the same thing. I'll submit it to my insurance. They'll EFT me at some point today. And then you guys will get to see me replacing these door panels and getting the car to where I think it should be. Not what this body shop or other people think it should be, but where I think it should be. So we're going to do our best to get it right. Let's go hit it. Let's go get it done. And we'll tap in when we get over here to David Stanley's. All right, guys, so we're here at David Stanley. I went in, I ordered the parts, and this is what we come back with. We have the full invoice here now. And on the invoice, you can see all of the relevant, let me flip this around. All of the relevant part numbers, armrests, seat covers, the whole nine, how much all of the parts cost. And that is the total cost of what it's going to cost for me to fix the interior. And again, major shout out to USAA. You know, they had me submit it today. And major shout out to David Stanley Chrysler Dodge Jeep Ram, which I am here at right this moment. That Jeep right there. Huh. Anyways, so I've gone ahead and got it. I got the foam seat covers, armrest, seat covers, cover front for the back and the ass. Same thing for the rear. Cover rear. And then the mirror cover. They call this a cover for the mirror, I guess. This sensor that's wide open. So we'll go ahead and get that done. But there it is, guys. So I went ahead and I got that ordered. All the parts are there and ready. Now I just got to submit this receipt to USAA. I submit this to USAA and they'll pay me, and then I can get to work and get the Green Monster done. Now, with that said, that just covers the interior. Unfortunately, for what we're dealing with on the exterior, it's going to have to go to another shop. Now, I just spoke to a gentleman this morning named Joshua, who's the nice people over at Allen Body Shop, put me in contact with. And he was like, I just can't believe they released your car without working seatbelts and no airbags. And I was like, yeah, I know, me too. But, oh, my Copart stuff is showing in the rear. But, that's what it is. Now, I'm going to be honest with you. I'm going to reupholster the rear seats. But I think they're going to live in the garage in like a bag. I don't think I'm going to put them back in because, one, I never have anybody sitting back there. I think I'm going to build a flat spot where I can put stuff there, like I know this probably sounds stupid, but like an Xbox or something else. Or a spot where I can just put my bag or whatever. Because really, it's just me and then occasionally one other person in the car. Usually nobody rides in the car with me. It's just me. That's why I was okay with them taking forever to get my seats done once I had the car back. But yeah, I think we're going to put, I don't know, maybe I'll put a box back there. Maybe I'll put a couple of 10s. I don't need like that shake the block, like beast sound system. I just need, like, I just want to hear something nice. You know what I'm saying? And I think I might put something back there where it's coming in this way from the back, from the trunk. I don't know. It's something that I can also fold down so I can, like, have that long trunk space. I know. I'm doing, like, now I'm rebuilding this. This is I'm the captain now. I'm the captain now, damn it. I'm going to build this the way I want to build it. But for y'all that haven't been here in a while, I know y'all want to hear it. Wow, I see the difference in the light. Look how dark that tin is. Woo! I just started glowing. Hold on. I'll let y'all hear it one time. Y'all ready? Oh. Yeah. Anyways, guys, that's going to do it. Kind of a short update video for you guys today on this. Like I said, receipt is here. We got it. It is submitted. Now, as soon as I get paid, I get the parts, and we get to work. With that said, thank you guys very much for watching. I truly appreciate it, and I will see you guys on the next video.